of Nanay and Claire. This is Nanay and this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to do unbox kids swimming pool. Because I like swim.
Today, kahit maulan, we are going to swim at home.
Yes.
Bagong kiddie pool nila, which you can purchase sa Shopee. We will just put the link down below kung magugustuhan nyo. Para makita nyo na din yung actual product and yung size, if appropriate siya. Samahan nyo po kami for a little unboxing and review of the kiddie swimming pool.
See the link below, KaFam.
Meron na siya ng link below. So excited kay Claire.
1, 2, 3, go! Let's open, KaFam!
Ganito siya kalaki kung dadating yung package. It's a bubble wrap.
It's a bubble wrap. I like to look at the bubble wrap. So much fun. Then we have to open and the cup. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Let me help you. Wow! This was so nice. Wow.
So this is it, pansit. Ganito na yung kiddie pool nila. So, dito sa packaging nila nakalagay ang size 7 feet, 10 inches by 6 feet, 9 inches by 34 inches. And for 2 plus yung age ng mga kids na pwede.
Oh, it's going to be so much fun.
Sobrang lagkit, hindi ma-open. Hirap talagang buksan.
Wow, what is this, Nanay?
This one is in case na merong butas, so pwedeng lagyan ng repair patch. Ano tong red?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Will you say okay?
Okay. Oh, that's it. Let's clean the space first.
Kakawi use papa para may air.
Merong mga floater.
Para gawa sa water.
Ah, I see. Mas marunong si Claire. This one, I think, is the slide, no? Ito yung manual. So, they have the manual.
Yeah.
There's a fish.
Oh, what is this?
Star.
Oh, oh,
Another fish.
oh, there's an octopus right there.
And octopus. Ang cute.
Oh, cute sa dolphin.
And
Oh.
dolphin.
I love the
Oh,
dolphin.
super nice. Now, we found the answer to this. Ito pala siya, oh, yan. Para sa hose siguro ito. Para sa water. Kasi pero mayroong mga fountain effects siyang ganun. This is it! So, ayan na siya. This is the hardest part of all.
I'm ready to pump,
Ah,
Kapa.
so yung air pumping. Let's start, Claire.
Okay.
So, meron silang appropriate water level for the kids, for the safety of the kids. Yan, to follow lang yan siya. And meron siyang dalawang ganito, parang hook. Siguro dyan itatali mamaya yung ating slide.
I'm going to put on here some slide, the crocodile.
Yeah, maybe we're going to tie it later here. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's go, Claire.
Okay.
For the slide, merong tatlo na kailangang i-pump. After 10 years, therefore, I conclude isang workout po ang mag-set up ng ganitong kiddie pool. At pawis na pawis ako, parang na akong naligo. So, ready to swim na si Claire.
Hello, Nanay. Look at me.
Yeah, so kasyang-kasya si Claire. May extra space pa.
Hello, Chocolate. What do you do there? Coconut sour. I am a coconut nut. It's a giant nut. When you eat too much, it gets very fat.
If you have mermaid tails, ay lalagay din namin yung link sa baba. Lagay natin yung tail ni Claire. Claire, are you good? The mermaid is flapping her tail.
I hope you enjoy our